On the planet we call home, there are places that take our breath away with beauty beyond imagination, not crafted by human hands nor replicable by any technology. These are majestic masterpieces, priceless gifts from nature. From mirror-like deserts stretching into infinity, to fiery red canyons carved by time, from hidden caves deep underground, to strange pink lakes shimmering in salt-filled basins. Today, join us as we explore 5 natural wonders beyond belief, where beauty is not just in what you see, but in the whispers of time, geology, and life itself. When people mention Vietnam, one place always leaves the world in awe. A vivid natural masterpiece where emerald waters, limestone cliffs, and drifting clouds merge into an eternal wonder. This is Halong Bay. Halong Bay is located in northeastern Vietnam in Quang Ninh province, covering over 1,500 square kilometers with nearly 2,000 limestone islands and islets. According to geologists, the formation of Halong Bay spans hundreds of millions of years. The limestone formations here are estimated to be 250 to 280 million years old, dating back to the same era as dinosaurs. The karst process has given rise to countless caves, arches, sinkholes, and incredibly unique landforms. Beyond its beauty, Halong Bay is home to a remarkably diverse ecosystem. Beneath the surface lie coral reefs, seagrass beds, and tidal flats, which shelter over 200 fish species, 450 mollusk species, and hundreds of marine plant species. Halong Bay was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994 and again in 2000. In 2011, it was named one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world. However, overcrowded tourism, pollution, and uncontrolled exploitation are threatening its fragile ecosystem. Experts and local authorities are striving to balance tourism development with sustainable conservation. Halong Bay is not just a destination, it's a testament to Earth's wonders. Where nature and humanity have slowly built a harmonious and sustainable environment. Every visit here is a silent promise to preserve this wonder for generations to come. In the far reaches of eastern Russia, where frost dominates most of the year, lies a place of ancient mystery, a place where science, nature, and time converge. This is Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on our planet. Lake Baikal is not just a lake, it's a living geological wonder. At a maximum depth of 1,642 meters, Baikal is the deepest freshwater lake in the world. Even more remarkable, it holds 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water, more than any other lake on Earth. The lake stretches 636 kilometers long and 79 kilometers wide, resembling an inland sea surrounded by the Siberian mountains. Estimated to be at least 25 million years old, Lake Baikal is the oldest lake on Earth. What makes Baikal truly unique? It was not formed by glaciers or landslides like most lakes. Instead, Baikal sits on an active continental rift zone, a place where Earth's crust is slowly pulling apart. This geological activity has created a massive rift valley, making Baikal deeper and wider over time. Some scientists believe Lake Baikal may be the early stage of a new ocean. Each season transforms Baikal into a different world. In summer, the water becomes so clear you can see up to 40 meters deep. Autumn brings golden forests reflected on calm surfaces. But winter is the most magical. Baikal freezes solid, with ice a meter thick, strong enough to support trucks. Cracks form across the ice, creating thunder-like sounds, known as Baikal's ice music. Lake Baikal is more than a lake. It's a book of Earth's history, a living museum of evolution, and a symbol of purity in a changing world. Hidden within the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, Arenal Volcano stands as a majestic symbol of nature's power and mystery. But behind its stunning beauty lies a story stretching back thousands of years, of geological formation, violent eruptions, and humanity's ongoing attempt to coexist with a volcano that sleeps, but never truly dies. Arenal Volcano is located in Alajuela Province, northwestern Costa Rica, inside Arenal Volcano National Park. Standing about 1,670 meters tall, it is one of the most symmetrical volcanoes in the world. A near-perfect cone formed by layers upon layers of lava and volcanic ash. Interestingly, before 1968, locals believed Arenal was just an ordinary mountain. Little did they know they were living beside one of Central America's most active volcanoes. On July 29, 1968, Arenal suddenly awakened after centuries of silence. A massive explosion tore through its western flank, sending lava, ash, and rocks across several kilometers, destroying 3 villages and claiming 87 lives. The eruption lasted for days and marked the beginning of a 4-decade period of near-continuous volcanic activity. From 1968 to 2010, Arenal was alive almost daily, emitting smoke, ash, and glowing streams of lava. Despite its potential danger, Arenal has become one of Costa Rica's top tourist destinations. The surrounding area is protected as a national park, featuring rainforest trails, natural hot springs, and exciting hiking routes. Its biodiversity is astounding, home to over 850 species of birds, mammals, insects, and many still being studied. Although currently dormant, Arenal is monitored constantly using seismic sensors and gas detectors. Scientists believe Arenal will become active again in the future, perhaps in decades or even sooner. Costa Rica has implemented early warning systems and restricted settlement near hazardous zones. Arenal Volcano is a vivid reminder of Earth's restless energy, where nature and humanity learn to coexist. Arenal, hidden deep within the ancient jungles of Quang Binh, where limestone mountains twist like the spine of a dragon, lies an underground world unlike anything else on Earth. More than just a cave, Doong is often described as a separate planet beneath the surface of the Earth. It's so massive it could house an entire skyscraper, and so deep that sunlight must travel hundreds of meters to reach the floor. Doong was first discovered in 1991 by a local man named Ho Khan. But it wasn't until 2009 that British explorers officially mapped it and revealed it to the world. The cave stretches over 9 kilometers, with the largest chamber measuring 150 meters wide and 200 meters high, big enough to fit a 40-story skyscraper. Inside, there are jungles, underground rivers, and even a separate weather system. Doong was formed 2 to 5 million years ago as an underground river eroded the limestone beneath the mountains. Over time, this created giant stalagmites, some reaching 70 meters high, the tallest known in the world. Massive ceiling collapses, called dolines, let sunlight enter, allowing whole forests to grow underground. Isolated for millions of years, Doong nurtures a unique ecosystem that scientists are only beginning to study. Insects, plants, and fungi found inside may be completely new to science. Cool, humid air and a flowing underground river create a self-contained natural cycle. Doong is often referred to as a natural laboratory for studying geology and biology. Since 2013, adventure tours to Doong have been limited to about 1,000 visitors per year. The expedition lasts 4 to 5 days and includes trekking, river crossings, and camping inside the cave. No construction is allowed inside, and all waste must be carried out to protect the ecosystem. Doong is a model for sustainable tourism, balancing discovery with preservation. Imagine standing on a place where the sky touches the ground, where clouds seem to float beneath your feet. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat and one of the most surreal landscapes on Earth. Located in southwest Bolivia, Salar de Uyuni lies at an altitude of 3,656 meters above sea level, stretching across more than 10,000 square kilometers. It's so vast and flat that it can even be seen from space. During certain seasons, it transforms into a natural mirror, so perfect it confuses the eye. Thousands of years ago, this area was covered by a massive prehistoric lake called Lago Minchin. As the lake dried up over time, it left behind thick layers of salt and minerals. What remained eventually became Salar de Uyuni. Its surface is made up of unique hexagonal salt patterns, a result of natural crystallization during dry seasons. During the rainy season, December to April, a thin layer of water settles on the salt surface, creating a mirror that reflects the sky with astonishing clarity. This mirror is so precise that scientists use it to calibrate satellites, thanks to its near-perfect flatness. It's a phenomenon that has turned Uyuni into a dream destination for photographers and filmmakers. Tourists can explore the salt flats in jeeps, stay in hotels built entirely of salt blocks, and visit the Erie train cemetery nearby. In the dry season, the surface turns into an endless white desert. In the wet season, it becomes a perfect mirror. Salar de Uyuni offers two completely different experiences, both equally magical. Salar de Uyuni is a place where science and beauty coexist, a reminder of how nature can both surprise and inspire us. Would you walk on this giant mirror in the sky? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking places like this.